Guys, do you think Uteko Modise recognize himself as a Orlando Pirates legend or a Mamelodi Sundowns legend? Because the situation ya Teko Modise in Orlando Pirates is very deep. It dates way back esadlala Orlando Pirates. Teko Modise was one of the best players asebaphuma la South Africa. Abadlala asebadlalele iBafana Bafana. He was one of the best players. In his younger days, he played for City Pillars, team yali before joining Super Sports. Wayedlalela team ekuthiwa City Pillars. Wajoina Super Sports ngo-2006. Super Sports 2006 ilapho khona waqala khona ukudlala ibhola eliprofessional. Indlela adlala ngayo kwi-Super Sports wa-attract amateam amaningi and futhi ilapho khona wa-attract khona i-Orlando Pirates. Wadlala isizini eyodwa kwi-Super Sports. I-Orlando Pirates yamlanda the following season lapho khona kwaseku-2007. Base sefika kwi-Pirates ilapho khona wathola khona i-prime yakhe because efika kwi-Pirates washisa kakhulu. Ziningi izinto azenze ku-Orlando Pirates. Edlala ku-Orlando Pirates wayedlalele isquad seBafana Bafana. Kwisquad seBafana Bafana ngaleza ikhathi leza ngo-2008, 2009, 2010 kwakuyena kuphela umdlali owayedlala la kwi-PSL. Kulesa squad seBafana Bafana sasikhona kwi-first lineup yakhona kwakuyena kuphela umdlali owayedlala nje like locally. Because ngiyakhumbula impela noDanny Clet ayalandwa ngalesa squad seBafana Bafana. Yizo noDanny Clet wayedlala impela. But Uteko Modise bamlanda ukuthi azodlala lapha. Orlando Pirates wawin i-Footballer Player of the Year, i-PSL Football Player of the Year 2008 and 2009. Waba futhi SAFA Football Player of the Year. And maningi Uteko Modise amateam ayamfuna yabo. So abadlali abaningi ayedlala nabo esquadini babe influence uthi ayephesheya yabo because ayikho into imali ayingayithola la ama club ala eSouth Africa. Abadlali abanjengo Steven Pienaar, Benny McCarthy babe influence uthi ayibo ndoda why singayikodlala phesheya, why can't you go and play overseas because you have talent. And teams like Manchester City and Aston Villa and Wigan Athletic wanted to sign Uteko Modise. But here's the issue with Uteko Modise. Dr. Ivan Khoza akafunanga ukuthi Uteko Modise ayephesheya ngoba wayemfuna ukuthi aqhubeke adlale Orlando Pirates awina ama-cup for Orlando Pirates. So Uteko Modise ngokubona kwakhe uDr. Ivan Khoza amvalela amathuba amaningi ukuthi ayephesheya. Kuningi oyengakuzuza ukuthi ayephesheya. Kuningi angakuthola kuningi yabo imali nje ngabe uphezulu ibhola lakhe ngabe liphezulu ngabe uyahlonishwa because imanti manje ngoMan City iMan City ngaleza ikhatha isakhula ngempela yebo. Aston Villa yayingekho that much but kwakuyiteam eyidlala le kwibhola eliphezulu ku Premier League. Wigan Athletic nayo yayiphezulu hayi njengamanje. So i-contract yakhe yaphela with Orlando Pirates ngo-2011. Wathi sekuphele i-contract yakhe wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns. Ekujoyineni iMamelodi Sundowns izinto zashintsha kakhulu because indlela eseyiphethe ngayo akafunanga lutho ezomhlanganisa neOrlando Pirates. Because waxabana nalomjida lo Dr. Ivan Khoza because uKhoza wemvalela ama-chances ukuthi ayephesheya. And the situation yaTeko Modise yangistressa kakhulu because baningi abadlali koOrlando Pirates abanqatshela ukuthi bayephesheya njengalo uLodge. I remember Lodge na wayekhona amateam ayemfuna phesheya but uDr. Ivan Khoza afunanga ukuthi ayephesheya. Naye lo mjida lo Mfukeng angazi yamfukeng angifuna uye kuPaula kakhulu but yamfukeng bemele hambe le season but ke ngibone engahambanga mhlawumbe useyohamba next season asazi. But lento leyo abadlali ukuthi banqatshele bayephesheya engathi izobe inkinga kweOrlando Pirates ngempela. But ke asazi nibona ku right ukuthi Uteko Modise ayibize ngelegend yeSundowns noma ayibize ngelegend yePirates because iprime yakhe kakhulu iprime yakhe yaTeko Modise ayikuyiOrlando Pirates. Base sesifika nje kwiSundowns ayingeke oyengesenawo umdlandla like ibhola edlala kwiSundowns ngeke uzosho ukuthi kwakuyibhola leli top yabo because wayesezoyiqeda necareer yakhe wayiqedela eCape Town City but wasuka kwiOrlando Pirates ngo-2011 wajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns. And enye into ngoTeko Modise ebuyingxake ngiyengibone mekukhulunywa nje ayithi uyipresenter yaka Super Sports mekukhulunywa akajwayele ukukhuluma kahle ngeOrlando Pirates. Amagama ajwayele ukuwakhipha Orlando Pirates uhleze ezoba biased against Orlando Pirates ngeke ngazi yabo. Mhlawumbe usanayo leyo nto ukuthi iOrlando Pirates did yabo because kusana le mpahla lesathanda kuphuma ama-predictions ukuthi yiphi team ezowina i-MTN yabo. Ama-presenter amaningi be-predict yabo and ama-presenter amaningi abe realistic athi iOrlando Pirates ezowina yabo, but uthe sekufika kuyena wavele wathi Sundowns ezoyithatha eMTN. Ngiyazi ukuthi kuyapredict ngiyazi yabo, but why ezokhetha iSundowns instead of iOrlando Pirates? Mhlambe lokho kuzokunika umqondo uthi yabo usanayo leyo nto uthi yabo ufavor kakhulu iSundowns manje because iOrlando Pirates yamenzakalisa. Because ayekho ngawuthi iOrlando Pirates izoyithatha lempahla le. Kodwa yena emqondweni wakhe usanaleyo nto leyo.